Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and as you can see, okay, there we go. So you're supposed to, as you can see, you have the red wave, blue wave, no wave, energetic wave. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to search up RNG, which is random number generator, and you can see this is from slide 2 through 5. So let's do 2 through 5, generate. And we get 5, which is energetic wave, which energetic wave basically means nothing. No wave is nothing. Blue wave is 2% more blue. Red wave is 2% more red. How would you decide that, you may ask? Let's go to Jackson Jude. Not Judd. Jude. Yes, this here. We're going to go to Jackson Jude. Then we're also going to open up Yapums or any other political simulator. I'm just going to go presidential because that's how this election game is going to work. So then I'm going to enter, so of course you're going to pick your candidates. Let's say the Republican candidate is, let's say I want to be, it can be real or fake or made up or whatever you want. So I'm going to make my candidate, I don't know, let's say I want to play as Donald Trump. And then I'll make the Democrat Joe Biden. No, Kamala Harris. Yeah, let's make it like that. Kamala Harris versus Donald Trump. So this is a two-player, of course. It can't work with like AI versus AI, but it can, but I'll show that in a later video. So you'll just do select source, past elections. Basically, you get the 2020 election results. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put all safe states safe that you think you would count as safe. Sometimes it's debatable, like I put Colorado and New Mexico safe. I put Alaska safe, red. I have not prepared for districts in this game, so we don't use those. Some people may put Minnesota safe. I don't do that. I put it like this mainly. This is usually where I get mine, not Texas. This is usually mine, but of course you can edit it, modify your safe states. It doesn't really matter which safe states are which safe states you think are safe. But I'll just show you guys my map. Maybe you could put Maine is not safe, maybe Virginia is not safe. Maybe Colorado and New Mexico is not safe. Maybe put Texas safe or Minnesota safe blue. I don't know, but here is my map. So let's say we get a red wave. We go here. We see this. It went 2.4 to Biden. So we make it tilt Kamala because 2.4 minus 2 is 0.4, right? So then Arizona becomes lean Donald Trump because it's 2% more towards him. In Texas, it stays likely. So I think you're getting the jig now. For all the swing states, add 2%. Only swing states. It would be likely if we added 2%. And then North Carolina, you get 3.3. Ohio and Iowa, I'd put both as likely. And again, it really depends on your margin. That is fine if you have different margins than mine. It will appear a bit different. But that doesn't really matter in the end. Some things are just up to you in the game, which I kind of like. I like some personal beliefs in it as well. So this is how it would be if it was a 2% red wave. And the same thing if it was Kamala Harris. All we do is add 2% to all these swing states. I think you guys get that. So the campaign card. I'm always working on adding more. So 7 through 32. How you're going to do it is you're going to put 7 through 32. Know which campaign card you're going to get. So let's say it's Donald Trump's turn. So whoever's playing as Donald Trump, he will get to choose his spot to campaign. Let's say he campaigns in Michigan. We basically make it tilt towards him. Tilt towards him. That makes sense, right? So, like, if he campaigned in Minnesota, then it would be lean Harris. Or if he can't campaign in safe states, though, because then the safe states are made so that nobody can win. Okay, so now let's try and after they've picked their campaign spot, you get the card. So I'm just going to quickly go over each card. So RNG, debate. So what you're going to do if you have a debate is decide who is number 1 and decide who is number 2. So I'm going with Donald Trump will be number 1 and Kamala Harris is number 2. So Donald Trump wins. That means everywhere he is helped by 1%. Yeah, winner gets 1%, which means this becomes tilt him. Basically everywhere he gets helped out. I know it's a bit unrealistic that Florida jumps from likely to safe red, but it's very hard to make an extremely realistic political game, right? Maybe not right. Maybe I'm just not good at making political games. But anyways, so this would be it. So you're basically adding 1 towards Donald Trump in every state. If he wins the debate, if he loses, Kamala Harris gets added 1 in every state. Yeah, there's 2 cards of these, so same thing. Bad comment is -1 MO. I'll basically tell you what that means. That's -1 momentum. So let's say Trump had campaigned in Michigan. Oh, by the way, if Trump campaigns in Michigan, Kamala Harris cannot campaign in Michigan that same turn, because otherwise it could just go like this, then like this, then like this, then like this, and then the game just gets really boring, right? So they cannot campaign in the same state you campaigned in. A bad comment is basically wherever you just campaigned in, you lose 1. So Trump, let's say he campaigned in Michigan, he makes a bad comment there, it becomes to Kamala. Or if he did it in Minnesota, it becomes likely Kamala. So wherever you did that bad comment, you're going to take 1 away from him, 1, I'm not sure what to call it. Let's say 1 margin. Good comment, same thing, but you're going to add 1 margin to where he was. Political operative is where you can send pretty much anywhere, and they'll give you 1 margin. Health concerns is basically you lose all across the country, like 1 margin across the swing states. You know, like sometimes candidates are concerned about your health, but if you get a bad endorsement, same thing. Like if you're endorsed by the Ku Klux Klan or something like that. Hopefully YouTube doesn't take this off because I said that word. But bad endorsement, so basically you lose 1% each time. I don't know what else to say. You lose 1 margin in all swing states. Good endorsement, you get 1 more margin in every state. Political operative, you get, again, we already know political operative. Attacked, you lose 1 margin in the state you campaigned in. Defended, you gain 1 margin in the state you campaigned in. Now scandal, that means you did a scandal and ignore this. This should be fixed. -1%. So you did a scandal, you get -1% nationwide. So you lose 1 margin in every swing state. Then let me just move down a bit. Uncover scandal. So this time you uncover the scandal. It's not them. You get a scandal. No, you find out a scandal that, let's say, for this sake, Kamala Harris did. Let's just pretend I'm Trump the whole game. Let's say I uncover a scandal. She loses 1% now, the whole everywhere. Super PAC, you can spend it anywhere, and in that state you get 1 margin. And foreign intervention is when like a foreign country endorses you, like in 2016, Trump kept talking about that Saudi Arabia was supporting Hillary Clinton and you get hurt by that, obviously. Like, why is another country supporting you? So you lose one. I don't think you should lose one ammo after looking over this again. -1% everywhere. So in the next video, I will show you a gameplay, like a let's play. This was just a tutorial so that you can understand it more. I will leave the Google Slides in the link in the description. I am adding more scenarios, like more campaign cards and more wave things and even more cards. So the next video is a let's play, and the video after that I will show you how to do an AI versus AI. Well, it's not really an AI versus AI, but a you versus, if you don't have another person, how you can play it single player. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like to stay notified for the game's updates. Thank you for watching.